Hello Touch the Leg, this is Kawanjong. Welcome to Kawanjong channel. So today's recipe is gonna be Tibetan butter tea. This is Tibetan black tea. It's very hot. Okay, so this is the butter, the regular butter, and this is salt. This is my blender. You can find this one only in the Tibetan store. So if you don't have that, then you can use any black tea. If you have this one, this is the best one. So this is the whole milk. Actually, I do recommend to put the milk. Best thing is without milk is good, because if you put the milk, then it's gonna reduce the smell of tea. So that's why. So without the milk, it's much better smell. Let's get started now. Okay. So you need to boil the water first. Alright. Then the number one, you need to add the tea. So it depends how much you want it. Okay, I want to put this much for a few cups. It's going to be very strong. So this one's good for 4 or 5 cups of tea. And you need to boil it up to 1 to 2 minutes. Alright guys, I'm going to add the butter. This is butter. So don't put too much butter. So it's also optional. If you like more butter, you can put more. So I don't like much. I want to put less, like this much. It also depends of the amount you want to make the tea. Alright. I want to add the salt. This is salt, okay? So I recommend the less salt, not too much. The less salt is better. So I'm going to add like this much. Number 3, I'm going to add the milk. Don't put too much milk, a little bit less. The purpose of adding milk here is to mix the butter and the tea. So that's why. If you put too much and color is very white, and it's gonna be reduce the smell. That's why I cook this one up to 2 minutes. So I'm gonna steam the tea here. Don't put too much. You can put here again rest of the tea, because if you put too much, it's gonna be spill all over the place. That's why. Alright, now let me blend it. Okay, alright, so now let me put here. That's it. I hope this is very helpful. Thank you very much for your watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. If you like it, please comment below. Thank you very much.